Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about drugs for bronchial asthma. Bronchial asthma is characterized by hyperresponsiveness of tracheobronchial smooth muscle to a variety of stimuli resulting in narrowing of air tubes accompanied by increased secretion, mucosal edema and mucus plugging. Asthma is primary inflammatory condition, inflammation underlying hyperactivity. Extrinsic asthma, it is mostly episodic, less prone to status asthmaticus. Intrinsic asthma, it tends to be perennial status asthmaticus. Mast cells present in lungs and inflammation cells secreted as a result of initial reaction produce a multitude of mediators. Release of mediators stored in granules, histamine protease enzymes, TNF alpha, release of phospholipids from membrane followed by mediator synthesis, prostaglandin, leukotrienes, platelet activating factor, activation of genes followed by protein synthesis, interleukin, tissue necrosis factor alpha. These mediators together constrict bronchial smooth muscle, cause mucosal edema, hyperemia, and produce viscid secretion, all resulting in reversible airway obstruction. Bronchial smooth muscle hypertrophy occurs over time and damage to bronchial epithelium attenuates the hyperactivity. Drugs used are bronchodilators, sympathomimetics, adrenaline, ephedrine, isoprenaline, salbutamol, terbutaline, bambutrol, salmeterol, formoterol, methylxanthine, theophylline, aminophylline, choline, theophylline, hydroxyethyl theophylline, anticholinergics, atropine methonitrate, apratropium bromide, tiotropium bromide, leukotriene antagonist, montelukast, zafirlukast, mast cell stabilizer, sodium chromoglycate, lidocapromyl, ketotifen, corticosteroid, systemic hydrocortisone, prednisolone, and others. Inhalational beclomethasone, dipropionate, budesonide, fluticasone propionate, flunisonide. Sympathomimetics, adrenergic drugs cause bronchodilation through beta receptor stimulation, increase cyclic AMP formation in bronchial muscle cells, and that cause relaxation. Increased cyclic AMP in mast cells and other inflammatory cells decreases mediator release. Next one is anticholinergic. Drugs causes bronchodilation by blocking cholinergic constrictor tone. Leukotriene antagonists, montelukast and zafirlukast, both have similar action and clinical utility. They competitively antagonize cysteine leukotriene 1 receptor mediated bronchoconstriction, increase vascular permeability, and recruitment of eosinophil. Bronchodilation reduces sputum eosinophil count, suppression of bronchial inflammation, and hyperactivity in asthma patients. Mechanism of action of methylxanthine. Three distinct cellular action of methylxanthine. Release of calcium ion from sarcoplasmic reticulum, especially in skeletal and cardiac muscle. Inhibition of phosphodiesterase which degrades cyclic nucleotides intracellularly. Thus, the concentration of cyclic nucleotide is increased. Blockade of adenosine receptor. Adenosine acts as a local mediator in CNS, CVS, and other organs. Contracts smooth muscles, especially bronchial. Dilates cerebral blood vessels. Depress cardiac pacemaker and inhibit gastric secretion. Mast cell stabilizes sodium chromoglycate. It is a synthetic chromone derivative which inhibits degranulation of mast cells by trigger stimuli. Release of mediators of asthma like histamine, leukotrienes, platelet activating factor, interleukin, etc. from mast cells as well as other inflammatory cells is prevented. Chemotaxis of inflammatory cell is inhibited. Chemotaxis is a phenomenon whereby somatic cells, bacteria, and other single cells or multicellular organisms direct their movement according to their chemicals in the environment. Thank you.